we're going to plot or draw a scatter plot of our bivariate data. So the two variables we've got for this example, the number of siblings that a person has, and it's going to be compared to the number of hours sleep they get per night. Now, you can take an educated guess and say, oh, well, I think this is going to be the answer. I think that's going to be the relationship, or I don't think there is going to be a relationship. But we can't make that judgment until we start to plot or graph the data. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, I've got a list of our instructions here because they're the steps we're going to follow every single time. So first of all, we have to choose which variable goes on which axis. Okay, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. And we have to think about which do you think would have more of an effect on the other. Now, I don't think that having a certain number of hours sleep is going to figure out how many siblings you have, but this might actually have an effect on that. So how many people are in your family versus how much sleep you're going to get. So the one that has the most effect on the other one is going to usually be that x. So I'm going to put number of siblings down here, which means our y-axis is the number of hours sleep per night. And it is important to label them, guys. You have to make sure that they have titles, otherwise the numbers we use don't make sense. All right, our scale is coming second. So we have to figure out what kind of numbers we're going to need on both this x-axis and this y. And the only way we can do that is to look up at the numbers that are available. So the numbers we have, this is going to be 0. Okay, that corner, that intersect of x and y is always 0 for us. All right, number of siblings. Let's have a look at the numbers we've got. Our lowest number here is 0, so we definitely need 0 on the graph. And our biggest number here is 6. So we really only have to go up to 6. The important part of this is that you have nice, even jumps of scale. So we can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not a problem, because they'll fit on the graph. If you had to go to, say, 600, there's no point going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to go, say, maybe 50, 100, 150, 200, even jumps all the way. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, see that one? Not so great. I'm going to rub that out and go again. We might put it here. Looks a bit better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're doing these on graph paper, use the grid lines to help you. All right, number of hours sleep per night. We've got our lowest number is 4, highest number is 10. So our y-axis is going to have to go up to 10. I'm going to do my y-axis in jumps of 2 maybe. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Obviously, if it's something in there that's a 1 or a 3 or a 5, it's going to sit in the middle. Okay. All right. We've done our variables. We've done our scale. Now we need to plot our coordinates. Let's go. We have 2 siblings. So for someone with 2 siblings, they had 8 hours of sleep. There's our first point. Someone with 1, we can cross them out. 1 sibling had 8 hours. 1 sibling, 8 hours, crossed out. 1 sibling, they had 7 hours. Here's my 7. 0 siblings had 10 hours. So that's all the way up here. 6 siblings, 4 hours. 6 siblings, 4 hours. 3 siblings across 3 and up to 4 hours sleep. 4 siblings is here. 8 hours sleep is up here. 5 siblings and 9 hours. Now we've got points all over the place, but that's fine because that is what our data is telling us. Our next step though says, is there a relationship? And we need to figure that out. Is there a relationship? Are there strengths and are there outliers? Okay, so our strengths are, well, we won't worry about the strength, sorry. Our relationship, does it look like it's going upwards? Does it look like it's trending upwards? Does it look like it's trending downwards? Or does it look like there's not much of a relationship? I would probably say there's no relationship on this one. Maybe if we surveyed more people, we might get some better data. That's always the case. The strength of it. Now, the strength matters if it's a positive or a negative. If it really looks like it's going up, no worries, that's a strong positive. If it kind of looks like it's trending up, we would kind of say it's trending down, but I'm not going to go with that today. And any outliers. An outlier is something that's so far out it doesn't look like it fits the trend. There's no real outliers here. You can start to see there's funny results here, but apart from that, nothing major. An outlier might be if it was, say, on the graph all the way up in the corner or all the way down here, something like that. Okay, so choose your x and y variables, pick your scale, plot your coordinates, and then figure out all the other things. So do a bit of analysis of your plot.